to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have MacBook, pen drive or any other external devices and sometimes your data is a format. So how to recover entire data? It's very easy. Disk Drill, one of the platform, using the software you can very easily recover any types of data from the scratch. How to use, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. As a demo point of view, I will use my ScanDisk pen drive and MacBook. We can start from how to download, how to install and how to do entire process step by step. So now let's start. Just simply open Google, type here disk drill. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. Software available for Mac and Windows as well. So here downloading the software basic information is available here. How to recover and other information we can see after finish the download. Just simply click here the free download. If you want upgrade, so upgrade is also available. Look at this here, which version you want install, accordingly you should decide. I already installed this software in my Mac. If you click here, so just simply drag and drop and installation is completed. After complete this installation, I will show you in software here is available. First time you need to provide some full permission of the software first time if you use this one. This is the software framework. Now I just simply connect my external pen drive size is a 32 GB. So here I just simply connect the external pen drive in my Mac. The pen drive is also automatically displaying here. So look at this here, this is the pen drive. Original size is a 32 GB but showing always in 30 GB. So search for data loss. If you click here, universal scan, advanced camera recover, which one you want. So I can prefer here universal scan. You can scan entire things like pictures, video, audio, document and other data as well. So here the scanning process is going on. We need to spend here 13 minutes more, and afterward how many data we are recovering we can see. So process is almost complete, 94% is completed, and inside this process you can receive 111 file for pictures, 19 videos, audio 311 files, documentation and other files as well. So this one is really impressive. After complete the 100%, we can see how we recover. Pen drive size is a 32 GB. I almost recovered 25 GB data. We can wait again almost 1 minute. 99. This is the almost dashboard. And look at this here, found 1760 files. If the process is completed, how to save this one? Here the option is showing recover. So if you click here and select which location you want to save this file, I just simply select here. This is the my file location is the desktop and show the folder. So here is the desktop and here the reconstruct the file, and inside the file folder we are receiving entire data as a document, HTML, some other pages, and after that which image, which data you like and recover. Accordingly you can separate this data and access very easily. So this is the simple process to recover the data using disk drill software. If you have any question related on this software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.